Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is the vessel Seawolf. Position 34.12 minutes north. 118.15 minutes west. 10 miles off Santa Monica. We have lost engine power and are taking on water. The hull is damaged and we are at risk of sinking. We need immediate assistance, including rescue and medical help. Over. Pan. All station. This is the vessel Seawind, located at 15.40 minutes north, 52.10 minutes west. We have lost our anchor in a rough sea and are drifting. No immediate danger, but we require assistance to secure our position. Over. Security. All ships. This is the vessel North Star, located at 25.10 minutes north, 80.20 minutes west. We are preparing to conduct underwater operations in the area. All personnel are advised to stay clear. No emergency, just a safety alert. Over.